Are you ready to dive into the heart of cloud-native innovation? If you're attending KubeCon in Atlanta next month, skipping the Project Pavilion would be a missed opportunity of epic proportions. But here's where it gets even more compelling. Even if you're not planning to attend, this article might just change your mind, especially if you're involved in Kubernetes, containers, or cloud-native technologies. For a deeper dive into why KubeCon is a must-attend event, check out my previous piece, Why You Need to Attend KubeCon North America 2025, a decade in the making, where I break down why this conference is a game changer. The Project Pavilion isn't just another exhibit hall. It's the epicenter of collaboration and innovation at KubeCon. Nestled on the main show floor, this non-commercial space is where the magic happens. Unlike the corporate vendor booths in the Solutions Showcase, the Pavilion is a live, interactive workshop dedicated to connecting the creators, maintainers, and contributors with the adopters, end users, and developers. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just for experts. It's a goldmine for beginners too, offering a hands-on way to explore the ever-evolving cloud-native landscape. But here's where it gets controversial. While some might see it as just another expo area, I argue that the Pavilion is the soul of KubeCon. It's where you'll find projects at every stage of maturity, graduated, incubating, or Sandbox, all under one roof. From industry stalwarts like Rook, OpenCost, and Linkerd to emerging Sandbox projects, the Pavilion offers a 360-degree view of the ecosystem's present and future. This isn't just about showcasing tools. It's about fostering direct engagement, answering burning questions, and even inspiring your next big idea. Each project gets its own booth or demo station, where maintainers and contributors demo their software in real time. This isn't your typical sales pitch. It's a chance to get your hands dirty, ask technical questions, and understand project roadmaps straight from the source. For me, this has been a treasure trove of inspiration for past articles, but for any attendee, it's an opportunity to meet the minds behind the software you use daily, discuss implementation challenges, and even contribute ideas for future features. And this is the part most people miss. The Pavilion isn't just about technical deep dives. It's also a rallying point for the unsung heroes of the CNCF, the maintainers and ambassadors. These folks offer guided tours, mentorship, and general orientation, making it the perfect starting point for first-time KubeCon attendees. Plus, don't miss the Project Lightning Talks and demos on the dedicated stage, where passion for technology takes center stage over marketing hype. Check out the schedule here, link. Now let's talk projects. Here are a few I'm excited to explore. Flatcar Container Linux, a lightweight self-updating OS optimized for containers. Headlamp, an extensible UI for managing Kubernetes clusters. K3S, a CNCF certified lightweight Kubernetes distribution for IoT and Edge. OpenGemini, a high-performance time series database for observability data. Dragonfly, a P2P based system for efficient file and container image distribution. And LoxiLB, a cloud-native load balancer powered by eBPF. Each of these projects is tackling real-world challenges in innovative ways. But here's the bold question. Is the Project Pavilion just a showcase? Or is it the future of how we collaborate in tech? For me, it's the latter. It's where I stay updated on the latest innovations, network with project leads, and discover tools that solve real-world problems. Whether you're a developer, an enterprise user, or a curious technologist, the Pavilion is a source of inspiration and insight into the collaborative future of cloud-native computing. So, mark your calendars. The Pavilion will be open Tuesday through Thursday in Building B, Level 1, Exhibit Hall B3 to B5. Don't just attend KubeCon, experience it. And if you're still on the fence about attending, ask yourself, can you afford to miss this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the Project Pavilion is as essential as I do? Or is it just another expo area? Let's spark a conversation.